One of the best practice while making a garment for Konfiwear is to make sure that it is a GLB file. So first what we will do is to import the FBX file inside Blender. Once your file imported, navigate to the UV section and make sure, after selecting all, that all your garments are inside the one-on-one frame. This is mandatory. After this step, we recommend to remove or just separate that won't interfere with the model, like the stitch. Also, you can separate the collar. So this is the collar section. We can just separate it. And we have here the cuff. So I recommend making sure that all your elements are aligned, so they are on the same line. Then you can place them anywhere you need. Okay, so just make sure that they are aligned. We have just removed the stitch, but we can make sure that it isn't overlapping with any other elements. So for example, there is this side, just select the stitch, this section, and move it down. You can just have it below. Good. So this is the stitch. So this section is our front, back. So this side is the left sleeve, and on the other one we have the right. So if you want to separate the cuff, you have just to select the section, so this part and also here. We select both, and then we can separate. So here is our cuff. If you want your interior to be separate as well, select all the interior section. Good. And then you separate it. Perfect. So we have here the main section, which is the t-shirt. Here we have the collar. So collar. Then the next part, here is the cuff. Make sure to name well all your section. So here we have the stitch. So all remaining part also. So this is for our interior, and this one is the main elements. So we can just name in shirt. Now make sure that all your elements are being parented to the main one. So this is the one that will receive. So I will just make sure to remove all materials, because our configurator is already going to assign a new material, so we can just get rid of all of them. No material, and remove all the material. Now we are almost ready to go. We just have to make sure that our objects fit in a box. So I recommend just making a cube. Then here in this section we will assign, give a value. So the dimension of the cube should be 500. We will just make sure that our elements quickly fit inside this. Good. So once done, we will just remove the cube, apply all transformation, just go under object, then we will have apply, and we will select all transformation. Done. So next thing is to purge the file. So we will remove all elements that are not needed. So purge and use data, so it will remove all of them. Now it's almost done. make sure to save your works. So I will just do this quickly. So save it here. So I will name it short, then save as. That's it. So our model is now saved. So next step is to export as GLB. Remember, in this section, it is really important to disable the animation. On the data, we will also uncheck shape case and check skinning, but this is mandatory. Check compression. It will drastically reduce the size of the file. So you can remember the export setting and then you export. So that's it. The model is now ready to be imported inside Konfiwear. So as you can see, it goes from 18 mega of it just to. So this is the best practice to make a model for Konfiwear. Thanks.